Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 11-12 highest grade for each student. This is another quite likable and popular coding interview problem on Leetcode. So we are going to go through this SQL coding problem. We are going to understand this problem with few examples, and we are also going to implement our SQL query solution to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts along with data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, programming and coding. So let's start. So enrollments table is given to us which has three columns. Student ID is int, course ID is int, grade is also int. Student ID comma course ID is the primary key of this table. Write SQL query to find the highest grade with its corresponding course for each student. In case of a tie, you should find the course with the smallest course ID. The output must be sorted in increasing student ID. The query result format is in the following example, right? So let's take a look at this example so it will be more clear for you. So for student ID 1, so you can see that this is a record for student ID 1, and this is also a record for student ID 1. So highest grade we want to find. So highest is 90. So student ID 1, right? Student ID 1. So this is one record with student ID 1. This is another record with student ID 1, right? So 99 is the highest grade between 90 and 99. So this is what we want to find. The course is 2, right? So the course ID is 2. So for student ID 2, you can see that this is a student ID 2 record. This is also a student ID 2 record, and this, so these are two students ID 2 record, right? Both have same uh, grade like 95. So which one should we take? Because this is a tie situation, right? This is a tie situation. So now we have to take the course which is smallest. The course between 2 and 3, smallest is 2. So you take that 2 here, right? 2 comma 2 and 95. That's what you will put here, correct? Okay. And then for student ID 3, so these are all the records for a student ID 3. So the maximum one here is 82. So that's what you will take, 3382 here, right? So this is what the problem says. So for every student we want to find out the grade which is highest grade, and if there are multiple highest grades then you want to select the smallest course ID, right? That's what the problem says. So SQL query to find highest grade with its corresponding course for each student. In case of a tie, you should find the course with smallest course ID. The output must be sorted in increasing student ID, right? So this is increasing student ID, right? 1, 2, 3. So this is increasing. So this is what we want to solve. So this is a simple SQL coding problem. So you can just write down a SQL query like this. So select student ID comma min course ID as course underscore ID comma grade from enrollments, where student ID comma grade in. So this is a subquery, right? Select student ID comma max grade, right? Max grade from enrollments group by student ID. So here you will get the student ID and his maximum grade you will get, right? Because you are using a max aggregate function. And then you will group by student ID, order by student ID ascending, right? So in this case you will get the maximum grade here. If you have multiple maximum grades, you will choose minimum course ID. So this one is to handle the tie situation, right? When you have multiple um, courses with the maximum grade, right, then you want to choose the minimum course ID. So this one will take care of the tie situation basically, right? Okay, so select student ID comma min of course ID as course ID comma grade from enrollments, then where student ID comma grade, because here we are selecting student ID and maximum grade, right, from enrollments group by student ID. So for each student ID you will get the maximum grade here, correct? And then here also you will group this result by student ID and then order by student ID ascending, because we want to order the result by student ID ascending, right? Excuse me. So this is how you can solve this SQL coding problem. So I hope you understood this SQL query. This is a pretty simple SQL query which uses an inner subquery. So this query which goes inside here is called as nested or inner subquery, right? So this is a nested or inner subquery. So I hope you understood this SQL query solution. This is a pretty simple solution that we can use to solve this coding problem on Leetcode 11-12 highest grade for each student. So I'm going to add this SQL query solution for you in my GitHub repository and give you the link of my GitHub repository so you can check out the other solutions there as well. There are lots of other PL SQL, Oracle, MySQL, Java J2E as well as Unix solutions available there in the GitHub repository. Those are important solutions. Those are recently asked questions. So make sure you go through them and understand those solutions completely. If you like the programming solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist we have created to help your interview rounds. It is called as Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. More than 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems are compiled for you under one playlist. Those problems are asked by many big companies including Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Uber, Lyft, LinkedIn, Netflix and many others. Many times in their past interviews. They are very important coding interview problems. Make sure you go through all of them, understand them thoroughly. If you go through all those videos and problems, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, programming and coding. It will also help you learn lots of new techniques, new ways of problem solving. So do check out the solved problems. The name of the very important playlist for you is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. Now, if you are a fresher junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems for your interviews, to help you with your practicing, we have created 3 other playlists for you here. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, Code Chef, Coder. If you go to the playlist of this channel, you will find those playlists listed out there. Lots of interesting, important, exciting problems are waiting for you there. If you like this SQL query solution, how we have solved this problem by using this nested subquery along with a group by clause, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscriptions are very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from this channel. So do subscribe to this channel, share this content with all your friends so they can also learn programming and problem solving. Click on the bell notification icon button right away, so you will always get immediate notifications for all our upcoming interesting solved coding problems videos from this channel. Here we create content to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts. If you want to learn more data structures, algorithms, you want to learn more problem solvings, then there are lots of solved coding problems on this channel we have created to help you. The important coding questions varieties includes dynamic programming, graphs, matrices, binary search trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are lots of other important data structures related coding interview problems are also available for you here on this channel, including stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list, all are important problems. Those are selective coding problems. Those are asked by big companies in their recent interview rounds to the mid-level as well as fresher level development positions. So make sure you go through them, understand those problems completely. They will give you good preparation for your interview rounds, will help you learn more concepts of computer science, programming and problem solvings. If you are planning to take any Java J2E related rounds, then there are lots of Java J2E interview related videos we have created on this channel to help others. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them, Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables. They will ask you to write SQL queries, where you may have to use different database concepts like inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, aggregate operations, group by and having clauses, different where clause conditions, important windowing and ranking functions along with partitioning. Everything is demoed on this channel with examples, SQL tables as well as SQL queries for your easier understandings. There are videos that discusses Unix questions are also available here for you. For example, Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions. Soon we are going to be bringing lots of useful and helpful videos about database, PL/SQL programming and Unix, where you can learn more about how to create stored procedures, how to create functions, how to test them, how to implement different PL/SQL queries, how to use different important database functions along with various different SQL and related clauses, right? Like MySQL clauses, group by having clause, where clause. So everything will be explained in those videos. So you can also learn more problem solving there. So make sure you stay tuned to this channel. Keep checking the newly added videos. Lots of interesting videos are going to be coming soon for you here on this channel. If these videos are useful and helpful for you, then do leave your messages and feedback below these videos. Your feedback and messages are very important for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos on this channel to help others, so others can also learn programming and problem solving. So do check out those different varieties of problems and videos. Uh, if you want us to create videos about any specific topics, then mention those topics as well in the below comment section so that we can create those videos for you here. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing going on continuously. And thanks for watching these videos.